So hey guys, welcome back to another episode video by Vertical, and today we are back in another art tutorial. So basically, like almost 1 year last time I make a video about how to draw Protogen head last year 2020, and the video actually scores pretty well. I mean, like, that means people is interested on how to draw Protogens on paper. So actually, there is two methods. So I already improved my art style a lot, and here goes a better and newer tutorial. So let's just get into the video pretty quick. So yeah, so I recommend you guys to see the guideline first about Progen, and it will eventually help you. And so yeah, I'm just going to start with method one. Method one. So method one is pretty easy. You don't really have to mess with it a lot. Maybe it will be a little bit complicated, but it lacks on perspective, but still it's pretty easy for you guys. Sometimes, first of all, you guys just need to make it looks like a number six like that. You guys don't really have to worry about it because this is just a sketch, so it can be messy. Just you need the line art. So this video is not sponsored, okay? I'm just recommending. So I use this for sketch on paper, 0.2 and also 0.05 pen. So it has a wet edge, so it's good for line arting. Just do a shape that looks like number six. This is going to be the side, and this is going to be the visor cover. Okay, now you make the visor cover closed like that. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the visor part. The visor is a little bit complicated, but if you're okay with it, you can make it easy for you. There is a lot of shape. You can make box. You can also make fit trims. There is standard, and there is a lot of visor shape. So mine is fit trim. I'm just going to make it small, right, like that. Like, see, it looks the shape looks pretty good too, a little bit organized and stuff. We're okay on it. And now move on to the visor fin. The visor fin, there is a lot of shapes that you can make about the visor fin. That you can make like this for the visor fin. Like you know, there is a lot of shapes. You just make one, okay? You have options. And I'm just going to make like blue vertical, which is double. Then this one is you need to pay attention on it. Hair. So basically making hair, the fur is just use your own style or something. I like that. That is not bad. Making another fur for myself. Okay. Now we're moving to the ear parts. The ears part is a little bit complicated, but basically just make this. Okay. Alright, I will usually use for down here. So now you divide it, not really divide it, like make another fur inside like that. That is an ear for the side. Now you're going to need the other side so it looks properly. There you go. Just going to make blue ear line. Okay, see, you now have a production head that is kind of easy. Just make some neck fur and then make the face for it. You need to know the style of a protogen's head face. It's pretty easy too. So, alright, I'm done. That is a protogen head. Pretty easy at some points, but this method one. So maybe you guys are not good with method one. Maybe you guys love method one. It based on you guys. This is a protogen head. It's pretty easy at some points. The basic method one is pretty easy for some people. You can just make it step by step with this thing right here. Alright, let's just move on to method 2. Also, a quick reminder, you guys can put any symbols here of your protogens, and yeah, I'm just going to put my symbols real quick. There you go. Done. Alright, method 2. Method 2 is just a little bit more complicated than method 1, but circles and stuff, it's good for perspective. There is a lot of reasons, so yeah, I just move to it. I'm just going to make a circle, not too big, not too small. I'm just going to make it a little bit big so you guys can see it. Then already done it. I'm just going to make the protogen visor. The protogen visor is a little bit complicated. I'm not really good at this method, but I use it sometimes for perspectives related stuff. Right, that is the visor. This is the visor. Make this number 6 stuff. Doesn't actually look like number 6, so just a quick reminder, don't actually draw number 6 on it. For some reason my hand is shaking. Alright, there you go. It's going to fix it more a little bit. Okay, actually looks good. I'm doing it. Make hair. Okay, visor fin. Another fur. And the ears. Okay, as you can see, I already managed to shape it a little bit big than that one because I want you guys to actually see it better. Make the face. Okay, so you already got a protogen with method 2. Pretty easy at some points. Don't forget to make symbols of any shape based on you guys. I'm being original. So this is your protogen method 2. This is your protogen method 1. It depends on you guys which one you guys prefer. It's actually fits for everyone. Easy. This one is good at perspective. This one is also good at perspective. You know the basic and stuff. Just keep on practicing about circle and stuff. At here you need to make line art out of pens. I recommend using a wet edge pen. I honestly doesn't know how to call it, but basically it has this kind of edge, as you can see. It's good for writing or something because it won't really be interrupted by the sketch. If you use like a pen, for example, like ball pen, the line of the ball pen will be a little bit interrupted by the pencils line, so that's why people usually will use this kind of pen for sketch. And yeah, I guess that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe or like the vertical, and thanks for watching this tutorial. See you guys in the next one, I guess. Goodbye.